I thank the organizers of this historical gathering for asking me to speak on the independence of Yoruba nation on behalf of the hopeless and voiceless Yoruba youth in Nigeria. My name is Tolulope Fajimi. I'm a Yoruba American born in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, United States. I recently graduated from high school and I'll be attending the university in the fall of 2021 to study pre-medicine. Being an American citizen, I am privileged to get the best education without any hindrances from the government levels. The government provides for safety, medical facilities, and easy access to education for its citizens. Unfortunately, these same privileges and necessities are missing from Yoruba youth in Nigeria. There are other serious fundamental human rights that are preventing Yoruba youth from achieving their dreams. Government of Nigeria is abusive. The police and military constantly harassing and killing the Yoruba youth from minor situations such as holding a phone, iPad, or any tech gadgets. Yoruba youth reject these sufferings. Next time I say that, I would love for everybody to say it with me. Nigeria government does not have compassion and sensitivity towards the youth. No provisions of employment for Yoruba youth upon graduating from college. Yoruba youth reject these sufferings. Last year, October 2020, Nigeria government, on President Buhari's order, killed Yoruba youth protesting peacefully to stop the constant police brutality. Yoruba youth reject these sufferings. Nigerian government refused to provide basic security for the citizens. No stable electricity, no pipe-borne water, no adequate medical facilities, and the biggest problem of all is no security. Yoruba youth reject these sufferings. Last Sunday, Fulani terrorists invaded a Yoruba town in the middle of the night. About 50 people were killed, houses burned down, including the palace of a king. A baby was burnt to no recognition. A 5-year-old child was cut into pieces while sleeping. Can you imagine a baby being burnt? A 5-year-old child chopped into pieces, an innocent child that had nothing to do with what was going on. Yoruba youth reject these sufferings.
Yoruba youth reject these sufferings.
Upon all the social media news and agitations of Nigerians, I personally have questions for United States government, British government, and the United Nations for their continuing silence on killings in Nigeria. Why the killings and terrorism events in Nigeria are not making the news? In the United States, in Britain, and other international countries. Why are international countries silent in the face of evil happening in Nigeria? Could it be because Nigeria does not have economic importance to these countries? To conclude my speech, I have a couple of solutions that will sustain peace in Yoruba land and achieve our Yoruba nation. Number one, my appeal is to my president, Mr. Joe Biden, and the United States government to please look into the carnage happening to the Yoruba people in Nigeria. Help us to stop the genocide being committed by President Buhari and his Fulani tribe on the Yoruba people. Number two, my appeal is to Her Majesty, Queen Elizabeth II, and the British government to do the needful for humanity's sake. I appeal to her, look at me, act as if I am your own granddaughter, as if all the youth, the Yoruba youth of Nigeria are your grandchildren. How can you stay silent watching what is happening to us while we are being persecuted? Make press conference statement to end the union of all the nations under Nigeria.
Correct.
British government must allow Yoruba people to hold referendum to exit from Nigeria.
Yes.
Like the British citizens did to exit the European Union.
Yes.
Britain should stop promoting the unity of Nigerians as a way to bring peace. Yoruba people are fed up with Fulani hostile character and reject being citizens of the same country with the Fulani tribe. The new generation of Yoruba people are rejecting continuation of the British 1914 amalgamation with no apologies. Joining Yoruba peaceful people and democratic values Fulani feudal system together was a disaster. My advice to Yoruba youth is as follows. Do not in any way, shape, or form be disappointed for being born in Nigeria, but be happy that you're Yoruba. Yoruba nation is the answer to your problems. Nigeria has failed you. Nigeria has failed us. Reject the unity of Nigeria. Do not vote against your interests. Support a new country of your own. Example being America, Britain, Russia. Countries where people of the same culture speak, understand the same language, and govern themselves. Thank you. Yoruba nation all the way, no going